Hello everyone. So welcome back everyone after almost a week long break or gap. I was traveling extensively, so I couldn't connect with all of you. So here I am back. I came back on Wednesday, but couldn't update on a real time on YouTube per se. Had traveled extensively, so was tired a lot. Okay, last 2 days were amazing. We had a holiday on 26th of January, that was Thursday, but Wednesday as well as Friday, both these days were amazingly euphoric. But with this kind of a euphoric fall, whatever may be the reason, that is only a trigger by which the fall has started. But then eventually you must have got an idea about what this year 2023 is likely to bring in front of us from the point of view of equity markets. So as you can see on my charts, we have a Nifty as well as Bank Nifty chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, the target 1 for Nifty is almost done. For Bank Nifty, the target 1 is done, and we have very close to target 2 here. But at this point in time, I feel that we might stop the fall right now here, and at least for the week of budget, we should see some kind of rise. Okay, so that rise is possible in both these indices. Let us go to individual chart to understand what kind of expectation we have from Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And I also have a stock for you to trade in this particular week. So when we are talking about Nifty, guys, time and again I keep on telling you about the range and how these ranges work well in our favor. Now here as well, even though the price was above these levels, I was categorical when I was saying that we might see 18,150 as a level, and on Tuesday we got a level of 18,200 at the opening, but price could not sustain over there, and towards closing we were pretty close to 18,100 odd level. Wednesday started off like a dream, and it just gave a quick fall in first 1 hourly candle. So this was a very quick fall of about 150 points in case of Nifty, and then it just consolidated right at the same level. Second day also started like that, the yesterday's day Friday, and we have started from the top of the range, and now we have come back to the lower part of the range. This is how the market has panned out. What is going to change? We are expecting a bounce here. Now what should be the bounce? What can be the target for this bounce? What we are expecting? Let's calculate this fall. And of this fall, we may expect a bounce probably up to 17,800. So 50% level, 17,847, 850 odd level. This can be one of the target which is possible. Yeah. So this can be the target for budget week. I should write bullish target. People are not in the mindset to accept this. So 17,847 is the target that we are looking at. The range is going to change, and the range is going to change to 17,900. Okay, so this is how I'm expecting the range to behave. Okay, this is how I'm expecting it to be. Cool. So now I feel that this low which is being formed on Friday is going to be crucial, and from this low we should see some subtle bounce, and eventually in this coming week we should see price somewhere around 17,800. If we get reached to this price very quickly till the day of budget, then it might be possible that on the day of budget we might again see the fall, prices start to fall, and again we might be headed towards 17,500. I need to change this as well to 17,500. 17,500. Cool. So this is how I'm expecting. Guys, I always keep on calculating this range on the basis of a open interest, right? So open interest calculation from your option chain, you can always calculate this, and this is what the target that we are expecting for Nifty. As for Bank Nifty, the fall is brutal, very quick, amazing kind of a fall. It has breached the range, and this Wednesday's low was critical. Now since it has taken out, this itself can be a big resistance. Okay, just removing this target is also done, so I'll remove all this clutter. This level was important resistance. Now once it was broken, then it just corrected viciously. Now the range here can be superb. 41,500 and 40,000. So it is 41,500 and 40,000. Right, so this is going to be my range. Now again in this week, ideally the price should remain between the first candle of Friday. That's what our expectation is. Bank Nifty is a weaker index, so it is likely to stay between this particular range, and eventually we should get a lower high. Once we get a lower high, then from these levels again we should get to see a fall. Target, how can we calculate target? From this low of Friday till this Tuesday's high, if we calculate 50% level, so that 50% level comes to 41,600. So 41,600 can be bullish target for budget week. Okay. Now here don't short on assumption. Now this week it should give us some bullish move. That bullish move is expected. And once we reach to somewhere around 41,500 or 41,600 odd level, from there if we get a sign of reversal, then and only then we should be able to create a short position, not in an anticipation. So this is how I'm looking at Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. If we take a look at the Ritik stocks, see all these Ritik stocks, now there is a lot of bearish move that can be seen, or bearishness in the market. Momentarily HDFC Bank, TCS and HDFC Limited, these three stocks are currently above their 50 EMA, but I believe that once this lower high is established and in the next downwardly move, we should see all the stocks below their respective 50 EMA on a daily time frame. So currently State Bank is much weaker, ICICI Bank is much weaker, so these stocks cannot bounce greater, probably up till 50 EMA. It should just give a 50% retracement up to 840 for ICICI Bank, 560 or 570 for State Bank of India. That way we can expect the things to pan out. Even for Reliance, the bounce can be limited to 2400 odd level. Now in this particular week, I am expecting a good bounce in case of Bajaj Finance. So there was a small entertainment drama that we kept on playing yesterday, and this was one level, important level, which was not getting breached. So I just named this as Amrish Puri or Bauji, and the stock was, the Bajaj Finance was like Simran, and I said Ja Bajaj Ja Ji Le Apni Zindagi, and eventually Bajaj managed to break out above these levels, and eventually it gave a very strong closing. There's a earning for Bajaj Finance, and that earning results have come after market. Structurally as well, it looks good to give about 4 to 5% bounce. So that 4 to 5% bounce, we can expect around 6,000 rupees on the chart pretty quickly. So that may happen in a quick 1 or 2 days. So look for that kind of opportunity. I'm trading currently Bajaj Finance futures as well as some call options of Bajaj Finance 5,800 call options. So this is it from me, and expect a target of minimum 6,000 in Bajaj Finance. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.